Okay, now, for Christmas, I had gotten... Hi, Sarah. Today is Sarah's birthday, St. Patrick's Day. Happy birthday, Sarah. Yes. For Christmas, I had gotten a bird. And I don't usually say that there's a perfect bird. But this is the perfect bird for anybody that wants a bird. I will guarantee that it will talk when you want it to. It won't bite. It's just the perfect bird. This is my bird. Hello, hello. I'm a wonderful bird. I don't bite. And I talk whenever you want me to. And I'm very pretty. La la la. So in all seriousness aside, if really that's what you want out of a bird, this is really what you want. Because the reality is not this at all with a bird. There's just far from being the reality. So. Get one of these. It's a good bird.